Hello and welcome to cabin 8347 on Icon of the Seas. This is a Surfside View interior cabin. Come on in. Directly to the right when you come in is the bathroom. It is extremely modern. We love that it is a glass shower stall. Instead of the curtain, you do have a shower bench as well as some holders for towels. There is tons of storage. You will find storage on the side of the sink, underneath the sink, and next to the toilet. This cabin does come with a full-size mirror and a surprise behind it. Make sure if you have a mirror that looks like this with this little ledge, open it up because that is where you will find extra shelving as well as your safe. You will find some extra hanging space as well as this table. This is a table that can be moved around if you're doing work in your cabin or you just need an extra table. It is perfect to bring up to the couch, which is right here. This cabin can hold up to 4 people. This couch does pull out to be a queen bed for 2 people. Next to the couch, you will find even more storage. There's hanging space with hangers. We have tons of hangers in here, but if you do need more, you can ask your cabin attendant for more. There's extra baskets down here. And this one does come with a robe. This is new. Congrats.
Because I'm Diamond Plus.
Congrats to Jillian on Diamond Plus, but we cannot guarantee that your cabin will have a robe, unfortunately. We're going to bring you over here to the beautiful desk area. This is perfect for, like I said, doing some work or makeup or just hanging out. There is lots of outlets. There's some USBs, some European ports, and just some regular plugs with some light switches. Lots of drawer space down here. And you will find your mini fridge. This is just a cooler. It will not keep food cold enough, but it's perfect for some drinks. And coming on over to the bed area, these are 2 twins. They can also be put together to make it 1 king. You can ask your stateroom attendant to adjust your room how you would like it. There is 2 nightstands with some extra plugs near each of them. And some more bonus shelving over here. We find that on Icon, they did a really good job of fitting in extra storage wherever there was space available. And the highlight of the room is our window. It looks into Surfside, which is the kids area on board, but because of the location of our cabin, it is near the very back of the ship. So we believe we will be able to get some view of the lake. Thank you so much for watching our room tour on Icon of the Seas. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you need help booking your cruise on Icon of the Seas, we would love to help you out. Send an email to thecruisingsisters@gmail.com and we will get you the best rate. We will see you in the next vlog.